Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Mandarin Studios. My name is Andy Zhang. Today I'm going to show you a very frequently used Chinese character. Now let's get started. The character we're about to learn today is pronounced Mei, which is a third tone. This character is composed of 9 writing strokes with a top to bottom structure as shown here on the left in the animated image. The character Mei can be used as an adjective, a verb, and occasionally a noun. When it is used as an adjective, Mei means beautiful or pretty. When it is used as a verb, Mei means to beautify or to praise. When it is used as a noun, it means virtue or moral excellence. So grammatically, this character can be used as an attributive, a subject, a predicate, or an object in a sentence. Mei is listed as one of the most frequently used beginner level 1 characters in the Chinese Proficiency Test, or HSK. The writing stroke order of Mei is indicated as follows. The character Mei first appeared in oracle bone scripts in Shang Dynasty in Chinese history. It was also found in bronze inscriptions in late Shang Dynasty. The pictographic meaning of this character in ancient Chinese illustrates a standing person, beautifully dressed in ornaments, such as sheep's horns and animal feathers, on his head. So the original meaning is beautiful or pretty. Interestingly, people dressing beautiful ornaments on head to show beauty and elegance can be seen from all parts of the world. Now let's take a look into the top and bottom structure of this character. In ancient Chinese, the upper part of this character is a pictogram of a sheep's head. The 2 strokes on the top represent the 2 horns on a sheep's head. As a variant pictographic character in ancient Chinese, the upper part means sheep. The lower part of this character illustrates a person stretching his arms. A person stretching arms shows that the person looks bigger in size. The pictographic meaning of this character is big or large. So, the ideographic meaning of this character is sheep is big or big sheep. Well, it seems that the ancient Chinese people also believed the saying, big is beautiful. Here on the bottom, you can see the different writing forms this character has experienced throughout the Chinese history. Notably, the character Mei is mostly used to describe a beautiful country, a city, or landscape. It is also very often used to describe a beautiful lady, her dress or makeup. This character is not applicable for a male person. Just like in English, we normally don't use the word beautiful to describe a man. Instead, we use the English word handsome to describe a good-looking man. In Chinese language, 帅 is the character used to describe a good-looking man. Now, I'd like to share with you the usage of the vocabulary words related to the character Mei. Since we already learned the etymological meaning of Mei, means beautiful or pretty. So if this character is combined with another character, you can easily figure out the meaning. The first one, 美餐, 餐 means a meal. So 美餐, good meal. 美差, 差 means errand or job. So 美差 means well-paid job. 美称 means title. 美称 means a laudatory title. 美德 means virtue. So 美德 beautiful character or virtue or moral excellence. 美感 means feelings or sense. So 美感 aesthetic feelings or sense of beauty. 美工美工 means art design. 美观 is to be pleasing to the eye or to be beautiful to look at. 美好 means good. So 美好 means desirable or fine or glorious. 美化 is a verb, means to beautify or prettify. 美景 means landscape or scenery. So 美景 means beautiful scenery. 美酒 means wine. So 美酒 good wine. 美丽 means beautiful. So 美丽 means beautiful. 美满 means satisfy or satisfactory. So 美满 means perfectly satisfactory. 美貌 means appearance or looks. So 美貌 means good looks. 美梦 means a dream. So 美梦 means found dream or good or beautiful dream. 美妙 means marvelous. So 美妙 means marvelous, splendid or wonderful. 美名 means name. So 美名 means good name or good reputation. 美女 means female. So 美女 means beauty or beautiful lady. 美誉 means fame or reputation. So 美誉 means good fame or good reputation. 美元 means yuan or dollar. So 美元 means American dollar. 美洲 means continent. So 美洲 means America. 美容 means face or appearance. 美容 means beautify the face. 美术 means art. So 美术 means fine arts. 美味 means taste. 美味 means tasty or delicious. 美学 means study. So 美学 means aesthetics. 美言 means remarks. So 美言 means to put in a good word for somebody. 美意 means will or intention. 美意 means goodwill or kindness. 美食 means food. 美食 means gourmet food. 美育 means education. So 美育 means aesthetic education. 美语 means language. 美 could means American. So American language means American English. Last but not least, 美国 means country. So 美国 beautiful country. That is the name of the United States of America. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching. See you next time.